Hi, my name's Corey. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing my Rogue 25 in Amazon Green color block. This came from Saks Fifth Avenue in New York. It actually came from New York via FedEx. It only took 2 days. So here we go. I'm very excited to open it. I'm assuming that it came from a store in New York and not the Saks Fifth Avenue warehouse in Tennessee. Hopefully it's not a return, but we'll see. Saks Fifth Avenue has free shipping and returns. As long as you initiate the return within 14 days, it's free. Otherwise, it's $9.95. I've bought 3 bags from them now, and I have to say they've always been spectacularly packaged. Okay, it looks like it's a new bag from Coach. Yay! I didn't expect there to be too many returns for this bag yet because it is a relatively new bag. It's been out a few months. It was sold out on the Coach website, but I wanted to use the Saks website anyway because they had a 10% off when you sign up for their website. That looks like it's factory wrapped for sure. I'm grateful for that. Coach is superb with how they package their bags. I have yet to buy from another company that packages better. Let's just say that. They take the best care of their product. And if you don't care to watch the unwrapping, feel free to skip ahead to where I review the bag. I know some people have enjoyment out of watching things be unpackaged. I've watched a few of those videos myself. It's a little guilty pleasure. It's a little bit of a satisfying feeling when it's all unwrapped. Okay, let's see. We got a little plastic. There we go. This is only my second Rogue that I've purchased. The first one was the Basquiat that went on sale, and that was a 25 also. Of course, if you know the Rogue, you know that stands for centimeters with how long the bag is. It's 25 centimeters. Oh, forgive me, I did have a 17-inch Rogue that I bought in the Canyon Multi. I have a review on that bag. I did sell it to somebody in my Facebook group though. Look how nicely Coach wraps all the hardware. I'd love to see their factory sometime. I'd be really interested in seeing how they produce these bags and put them together, and then how they package them. Okay. I have another bag that's also in Amazon green. It's the beef bag with studs. So I'm really a fan of that color. Let me see if this color is the same. Compares. Yep, it's compares. I like how they have the double zipper. Double zipper can meet at the top if you like. Nice heavy zipper pulls. Monogram with Coach. This bag is a 1941 bag, so it does have the canvas lining. Oh, it's not a 1941 dust bag. It's Coach New York dust bag. It's okay. Okay, so I will get into the details of the bag. Those of you who have the bag and just enjoy seeing it on YouTube. Some people that collect Coach bags really enjoy that. I do. I've watched. If you've got a video on YouTube about Coach, I've probably seen it and I've probably subscribed to your channel. Anyway, this is the Rogue 25. It's a satchel. You'll see by the double handles and how it zips down the middle. It's color block, Amazon green, and the trim is Canyon. Oh, it doesn't really look like Canyon to me. I guess it's Canyon. It doesn't look quite as orange as the Canyon on the 17 that I bought. This looks a little bit more tan, but they say it's Canyon. The inside is suede on both sides. There's a nice slip pocket on this side that's lined with canvas. And there's a nice little card pocket on the other side. The center is lined with the Coach canvas and has a little snap pocket inside. So there's plenty of room for all your things you'd like to carry. And it's made with glove-tanned pebbled leather, which just feels wonderful. That's the whole body, the bottom, the brass feet, smooth leather handles, smooth leather straps, and then the suede is in the lining and on the sides. The suede's on the side, I'm told, is brick red, but to me it looks more like Canyon. I'm sorry, this actually looks more like Canyon to me, and this looks like tan, but I don't know. Yeah, this doesn't look as red in person. It looks more like a rust in person. I thought it was going to be brick red, but it looks like a rust, which I think it's beautiful. Just beautiful. And then the straps. These handles are a 3 3/4 inch drop. Easily to put in the crook of your arm carry. These short straps, or shoulder straps, have an 11.5 inch drop, which is perfect for your shoulder. There are 4 D-rings, of course, that hook the straps. I'm going to take these off. They're attached with the dog leash hook. Then we've got this beautiful crossbody strap. Looks like saddle, and all the hardware on this bag is brass finished. Nice big dog leash clip. And this handle has a 21.5 inch drop with 5 adjustments. It's beautiful. I would say, as compared to the pictures online, the colors are softer. Some of the pictures I saw online made it look like it was like a bright red with a dark green and then an orange handles, but it's like a soft rusty red brown, a nice tan leather on the zipper and the handles, and then the inside back is that beautiful plum colored leather. So the name of the bag is Rogue 25 Satchel Color Block with suede gusset. The style number is C5575. As of this video, it's sold out on the Coach website, but you can put your email address to be notified when it will be restocked. The little bag charm that matches this comes in and out of stock on the website. I did put my email address in to be notified when the bag charm was restocked, and I got an email this morning. I was able to pick that up as well. I'm real excited about this bag. It's just beautiful. It's stylish, and it's also luxe quality. Like I said, I got it from Saks Fifth Avenue website. If you sign up for their website, you could get 10% off your purchase. And don't forget to use Rakuten or Retail Me Not. I usually check them daily to see which one has a better deal. It's very, very beautiful. I'll definitely use this year-round, but I think it stands out in the fall and winter, especially with the colors. I really like the straps. You have just so many options of wearing the bag. So there you have my review of Coach's Rogue 25 in Amazon green color block. Let me know if you purchased the bag and what you think of it, or if you want to purchase the bag, let me know. Maybe I'll do what holds in my next video. Thanks for stopping by my channel today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. Bye now.